In a world where snack delivery systems are less than satisfying, we bring you the ultimate delivery system for your satisfying snacks. Simply choose your flavor to load into the patented chamber, insert into the device, and give it a good squeeze, ensuring that your snacks are securely held. Pull back on the loader and ensure your snack is set. And if you want more, faster delivery, we have an upgrade. Simply do the same. Insert into the chamber. Give it a good shake. Pull back on the mechanism and go.